In this video, we test impact indentation test of door shutter. All the testing process given in IS 4020 part 5. As the name suggests impact, here we should apply on impact on the door shutter. For applying the impact, here I take a steel ball of 500 gram and the diameter of the ball is 50 mm. The impact should be applied from a height of 750 plus minus 5 mm. For applying height of 755 mm, here I take a steel pipe of a height of 755 mm. For measuring the impact, here I take a dial gauge. As for BIS 4020 part 5, the door shutter should be fixed on a horizontal plane table so that there is no any unstable condition of the door for applying the force or impact, and 10 different points we should check the impact indentation. Here I take the full size of door and fix on the horizontal table. Now put the pipe on the table and applying hold the steel rod from height of 755 mm. Now check the impact. Here the dial gauge list count is 0.01. Now check how much it can. So here is the depth of deviation is 0.1 mm. Now check in another point of the door shutter. Here is the depth of deviation is 0.15 mm. In the same way, we check in different places of the door shutter. So our as per BIS 2202, the maximum depth of deviation not be more than 0.2 mm. As here I check the depth of deviation is 0.1 mm and 0.15 mm. So our door sample is passed the impact indentation test. In the same way, we can check in different places on the door.